Hello and welcome. Thank you all for joining me today. This is actually a wonderful experience and a wonderful opportunity to be here. This is my second Apex here, and so it's very honoring to actually be here to return as a speaker on behalf of Crossmark. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. And again, yes, this is the one of the first breakout sessions, and it's titled Embark on a Crossmark Quest. Test your skills and earn rewards, and that's exactly what we'll do today. Okay? So for the agenda today, I will provide an introduction to the Crossmark team here at Apex. I will give an overview of Crossmark, and then we'll jump right into the quest, where I will give you in full detail everything you need to know, who can participate, how to participate, and the rewards that you can earn upon completion. And I'll leave some time at the end for Q&A. Okay, so Crossmark team, we have Ryan Molly. He is the CEO and founder and also acting software developer. Myself, again, Randy Nolden. I'm a full stack developer on behalf of Crossmark, and I am also a professional cloud architect. Fun fact, Crossmark is actually a Wave 4 recipient of the XRPL grants program, and I myself am actually a Wave 6 recipient of the XRPL grants program. So it's just testament that there is contribution, there is growth, there is collaboration between various individuals, various teams looking to build this ecosystem. All right, so what is Crossmark? Well, Crossmark is a browser wallet extension designed to manage wallets, and it's fully integrated within the XRP Ledger. Crossmark plays a significant role within the ecosystem by providing innovative and essential tooling and features that cater to both users and developers. A few key features. We have enhanced accessibility. Crossmark is a browser-based solution, so it's ideal for those sophisticated applications that require a little bit more complexity with interfacing, and that's something compared to a mobile device or mobile wallet application. It's developer-friendly. Not only are we user-friendly, but we cater to developers and leveraging an essential tooling in order to develop and create those unique and exciting projects that you see here at Apex today. I'm sure you all have seen quite a few exciting projects. And then also community and cross-chain connectivity. One of our core features include cross-chain functionalities, so we're looking to bridge those ecosystems in different communities in order to empower this space as a whole. All right, so let's jump right into the quest. Now, for participation, this quest is open to non-developers as well as developers. I don't want anyone feeling intimidated, or even if you do not know how to develop at all, you do not feel intimidated or incapable of participating in this quest, because the goal and aim of the quest is to educate, engage, and excite developers and non-developers to the amazing features and capabilities of Crossmark. So by the end of this, I would hope that you had some hands-on experience utilizing the app, utilizing the Crossmark wallet, the confidence in order to navigate the wallet and utilize it to its full capacity, and the technical skills in order to continue to innovate and create those unique use cases for in your projects and going forth, and a sense of community connection, because we're all here to grow together and we're all here to see like-minded individuals thrive in this ecosystem. And then by the end, upon completion, you'll earn your chance for rewards. All right, like I mentioned before, there's a non-developer track as well as a developer track. Now, even if you have the slightest information on how to develop, I will highly encourage just taking a stab at it, just getting involved and trying your hand at the developer track, because we tried to make this as simple and seamless as possible and user-friendly in order to for everyone to take a chance and get involved in understanding of the ins and outs and the features with Crossmark and the Crossmark SDK. However, for the non-developer track, essentially you'll be downloading the Crossmark wallet. You'll sign in, you'll create a wallet, create or import a wallet, and you'll submit a simple transaction on the DevNet. And then for the developer track, you'll essentially be creating a simple app. We have provided default, easy to build templates for you to choose from, and then you'll download and install this SDK and the wallet, and you'll familiarize yourself with the features and methods within the SDK. And you'll also be doing some simple transactions as well. All right, so I would encourage everyone to take a picture or record the links. These are all the links that you'll need in order to complete the quest, and everything you need for the instructions as well. So first up is the link to the quest form itself, and then you have the repo and the templates. So I provided templates with an Angular, Vue, React. So whatever your choice of framework is, you'll be able to get started very quickly. So the idea is So recently, Crossmark participated in the XRPL hackathon this past weekend, and it was a blast and very easy for developers to easily get involved, easily set up, instead of wasting time trying to figure out how to integrate the XRPL. They can more focus on the solutions that they have in mind and the ideas that they want to provide. So, and then next up is the link to instructions. A little FYI, this QR code would direct you directly to our support page, and there you will find the links and the instructions for the developer and non-developer track. And then also, last but not least, for the SDK, the SDK documentation for the developer track. Now, I'll give a quick visual. This is the form itself, very simple. You'll first provide a full name and email. This is only for verification purposes only. And you'll choose your track. So I can go through a little quick. Let's start with the developer track. So you'll go through, provide a little information about your skill level. And then as far as the instructions, you'll have different methods and transactions that you will be facilitating. And you'll just write those responses right in here. And then once you complete that, you'll go through the entire form, and then you'll press submit, and you're done. Simple as that. A quick view of the instructions. This is our support page for Crossmark. You'll find a lot more information of our product and easy to get started documentation as well. But here goes the quest guideline for the developers. So easy, step-by-step, great information in order to follow along and be a part of this quest. And so once you complete the quest and submit, your submission will undergo a verification process. It'll go on a validation process as well. And you'll shortly receive an email instructing you to come visit us at our booth. And that way you can come pick up your prize. And our prizes this year will include T-shirts, wristbands, and more. We have some at our booth. So as far as get involved with the community on the Crossmark community, we have a link straight to our Discord, and you can ask any questions, get involved with the community, see what's happening next on the Crossmark platform. And yeah, so thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending here. It's been a wonderful pleasure speaking to you.